Hello friends, today we will discuss about air transport system. An air transport system refers to the infrastructure, vehicles, and operations involved in the movement of people, goods, and cargo through the air. It encompasses various components, including airports, airlines, aircraft, air traffic control, and supporting services. Let us discuss some concepts related to air transport system. First of all, airports. Airports are the facilities where aircraft take off, land, and are serviced. They consist of runways, terminals, control towers, and other supporting infrastructure. Airports serve as important hubs for air transportation, facilitating passenger and cargo movements. Now, airlines. What do you understand by the word airlines? Actually, airlines are companies that provide air transportation services. They own or lease aircraft and operate scheduled or charter flights to various destinations. Airlines handle ticketing, baggage services, and passenger comfort during the flight. Finally, the aircraft. The aircraft are the vehicles used for air transportation. They come in different types, including airplanes, helicopters, and airships. Each type has specific characteristics, capabilities, and purposes, such as passenger transport, cargo delivery, or specialized operations like aerial firefighting or medical evacuations. Now we will discuss a few air transport systems. Let's start. Aeroplanes. Aeroplanes are large vehicles that fly in the sky. They have wings that help them generate lift, allowing them to stay in the air. Airplanes are powered by engines and can carry passengers and cargo over long distances. They are commonly used for commercial air travel and transporting goods. Helicopters. Helicopters are unique aircraft that can take off and land vertically. They have large rotor blades on top that spin to generate lift and allow them to hover in one place. Helicopters can fly forward, backward, and sideways, making them highly maneuverable. They are often used for various purposes, including search and rescue missions, transportation to remote areas, and aerial photography. Hot air balloons. Hot air balloons are aircraft that use hot air to rise and float in the sky. They consist of a large fabric balloon called an envelope that is filled with heated air. As the air inside the balloon becomes less dense than the surrounding air, it creates lift. Hot air balloons are typically used for recreational purposes, offering scenic flights and breathtaking views.
Drones. Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are remotely piloted aircraft or autonomous flying machines. They come in various sizes and can be equipped with cameras, sensors, or other payloads for different purposes. Drones are used in areas such as aerial photography, package delivery, surveying, and even recreational activities. Paragliding. Paragliding is a recreational adventure sport that allows individuals to experience the thrill of flying. It involves flying a lightweight, foot-launched aircraft known as a paraglider. Paragliders are constructed from a fabric wing and a harness, and they are steered by shifting the pilot's body weight. The pilot is suspended under the paraglider wing and uses thermals, rising columns of warm air, and wind currents to stay aloft and navigate through the air. Paragliding provides a unique opportunity to soar like a bird and enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. It is also a part of air transport system. Cableways. Cableways, also known as aerial tramways, are transportation systems that use cable-driven cars to transport people or goods. Cableways consist of a series of support towers and cables that carry the cars. These systems are commonly used in mountainous or scenic areas to provide transportation or facilitate tourism activities. Cableways offer panoramic views and a unique way to experience the surrounding environment while traveling through the air. Both paragliding and cableways offer thrilling and memorable experiences, allowing individuals to enjoy the sensation of flight and appreciate the beauty of the world from above. They provide opportunities for adventure, exploration, and a deeper connection with nature. While paragliding is a personal flying experience, cableways provide a more structured and group-oriented aerial transport option. Hope you all got an idea and overview about air transport system and different means of air transportation. Feel free to send your query in the comment section.